Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to change text direction in Word without text box. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document and take a table to change text direction in Word without text box. Now we can see here many text on the table. Now we select a text, then go to the table layout option and select text direction. Now we can see here we change the text direction without text box. Now we apply some another text. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.